Hi everyone, it's Dee here, and today we're gonna review this Leapfrog My Pal Violet. It's a cutie little puppy. Check this out. So it has some cool features that I really want to show you. Okay, so it has activities, it has lullabies, personalized songs, and you can change the volume. How cool is that? So, oops. Open here to personalize. Here's the cord where you can connect to the computer. And it has all the instructions here. So let's take this out of the box. Alright, so here's our puppy out of the box. She's so cute. And her name is Violet. It even says right here. Oh my goodness. So this one, it's not a button. It's just a Leapfrog logo. That's all. Okay, so here it has all kinds of buttons.
Let's sing a song about me and my friend.
Adorable. I love this guide. It tells you what to do, how to operate. And I just realized I can connect this to my phone. So you just basically put the cable in your phone headphone jack. So and you can also do that on your computer. So that's pretty awesome. This is really awesome. I also like here what it says about the lullabies. Like if you squeeze once, it plays for 5 minutes music, and if you squeeze twice, you hear music for 10 minutes. Squeeze a third time and you hear 15 minutes. So it's really like a timer. That's pretty cool. So what's this? Oh my goodness. Wow. It has some pretty amazing songs.
Can you think of something green? I'm thinking of grass. My favorite color is purple. Is that your favorite?
Oh, of course it's purple. You're purple.
That's what I am. I'm feeling silly. Make a silly sound. Boogly boogly. Can you think of something blue?
Oh my goodness, that's awesome. And here are the lullabies.
10 minutes of bedtime music. Get 15 minutes of bedtime music. Good night.
It's so cute. It even tells you how many minutes it's gonna play. So this way you're sure that it's gonna play the minutes that you want. Either 5 or 10 or 15. That's super cute. And here's the power off, power on button. It's really nice if you want to stop her. And it's very cute. Here's you can start her.
Teach me your name. Go to leapfrog.com/mypals2.
Yay, we're definitely gonna teach you my name. Oh my goodness, that's adorable. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm gonna teach her my name, and also she's gonna meet the new Hatchimals. Yay! So see you in my next video.